Lipstick and lip tint are both cosmetic products that are applied to the lips, but there are some key differences between the two. Lipstick is a cosmetic product that is typically opaque and comes in a variety of colors and finishes, such as matte, satin, or glossy. It is applied to the lips using a tube or a brush and is often used to add color and definition to the lips. Lip tint, on the other hand, is a sheer, lightweight cosmetic product that is designed to stain the lips with a natural-looking color. Lip tints are typically water-based and come in a variety of colors, ranging from pale pinks to deep reds. They are often applied using a wand or a brush and can be layered to achieve the desired intensity. One of the main differences between lipstick and lip tint is their longevity. Lipstick typically lasts longer than lip tint, as it is designed to adhere to the lips and resist smudging and fading. Lip tint, on the other hand, is often more lightweight and can wear off more easily. Overall, the choice between lipstick and lip tint depends on personal preference and the desired look. Lipstick is ideal for those who want a bold, opaque color that lasts all day, while lip tint is a good option for those who prefer a more natural, subtle look. Ingredients: lipstick typically contains a mixture of wax, oil, and pigment to create its creamy texture and opaque color. Lip tint, on the other hand, is usually water-based and contains a smaller amount of pigment, giving it a sheer, natural-looking color. Application: lipstick is usually applied directly from the tube or with a lip brush, and can be used to create a precise, defined look. Lip tint is often applied with a wand or brush, and is designed to be blended onto the lips for a more subtle effect. Finish: lipstick comes in a variety of finishes, including matte, satin, glossy, and metallic. Lip tint usually is a more natural-looking finish, as it is designed to enhance the natural color of the lips rather than adding a bold, opaque layer of color. Longevity: as mentioned before, lipstick typically lasts longer than lip tint due to its heavier texture and opaque finish. However, this can also depend on the specific product and the way it is applied. Purpose: lipstick is often used to create a bold, dramatic look and can be used for special occasions or everyday wear. Lip tint is often used for a more natural, no makeup look, and is a great option for those who want to enhance their natural lip color without looking too made up. Overall, both lipstick and lip tint are great options for adding color to the lips, and the choice between the two ultimately depends on personal preference and the desired look.